Good day friends, I am Franskel M. Lopez, and for this video, I'm going to perform my fourth activity task on IE Elective 1 using Solidworks 2021. So I'm going to show you first my fourth activity, which is the spoon. So that's the activity I'm going to perform today, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start. So first thing to do is select this top plane, and then sketch. Again. So next, go to line, select the center line, and then make a horizontal line. Then select, then center line again. So next is we're going to put now the dimension. So from here until here. So the length of this line is 22.5, and then this line is 105 millimeter. Extend this line. So after that is go to arc, select this 3-point arc, make an arc here, select, and then select these points, make it vertical, check it, and then select this point and this point coincident, check it. So the dimension of this arc is 10 millimeter. And then check it. And next we are going to select here a center point arc, then select it. So let me adjust it, and then after that is select here 3-point arc, then starting here until here, and then select it, and then select this point, make it tangent, and this one also tangent. So after that, I'm going to put now the dimension of this arc. So the dimension of this arc is 16.5. This one, the radius is 40 millimeter. And then next is select here 3-point arc, then select, and the next is we're going to put the dimension starting here until here is 9 millimeter. And the radius of this arc is 6 millimeter. And then after that is select again here center point arc. So we're going to create an arc here. So right click and then smart dimension. So the dimension of this arc is 6 millimeter. After that is select here 3-point arc, so starting here until here, then select it and then select this point only, and then make tangent. And then next we're going to put the dimension. So this arc has a radius of 600 millimeter. So select this part, I forgot to select this, and then make tangent, then check it. So as you can see, it's already fully defined. So next thing to do is go to mirror entities, select this one and this one, then mirror about, then select this line, then click OK. So this part would be our reference. So next thing to do is we're going to exit, and then after that Ctrl 7 for isometric view, and then select this front plane and then sketch. So after that is select this 3-point arc, and then starting here must be downward, and then next is face upward and then downward again, and then select it. So after that we're going to put the dimension. So the length of this arc is 84 millimeter, enter, and then after that this line, escape, this arc is 12, and this arc is 54. And then select this point, tangent, and this point, tangent, and then after that is we're going to put the dimension of this arc, which is 500 millimeter, and then check it. And I forgot to put the dimension of this arc. This should be 20 millimeter. Then okay. And also this one, so the dimension here, the radius of this arc is 40 millimeter. Check it, then click OK. So after that is go to line, select the center line, then starting here create a vertical line, then select this line, then make vertical, then check it, and then after that is select this point, then tilt it, and then after that is hold your control button and select this arc, and then make pierce, then check it. So after that is we're going to put the dimension. So it depends upon on you if you want to make any dimension in this line, so I'm going to put here 10 millimeter. So check it, and then after that I got some mistake there, so select this point and this point, 54. Okay, then okay, and then next we're going to put now the last distance starting here until here. So the length of that line is 143.5. Then check it, and then after that is we're going to exit, and now we're going to make some planes here. So select this right plane and then show. So this is our first plane. So next, go to features and then select this reference geometry and plane, and then next is we're going to change the distance. So the distance of this plane is 31.42 millimeter. Then check it. So next thing to do is we're going to create the third plane. So select this plane and select this point. So click this plane 1 for reference, then check it. So after creating these three planes, so select this plane, then sketch, then select this 3-point arc, and then select, and after that select this point and this point, make horizontal, then check it, then select this point, click the center, right click, and then select. So you can see it's like an asterisk there. Then after that tilt it, and then select this and this center point, make pierce, and then after that, so I'm going to resize it. We're going to put now the dimension. So the dimension of that arc is 30 millimeter. Then check it. So after that, hide this plane. Then next is this plane. Select this. And then next is we are just going to do the same. Select this 3-point arc. Select, and then select this point, make vertical, then select this point again, select the center point, right click, and then select, and then after that is we're going to put now the dimension, which is 10 millimeter. Check it, and then after that is close smart dimension, and then select this point and this point, make coincident, and then check it. Then after that select this plane, then hide, and then exit. So After that, for the last plane, select this plane 2, sketch, and then make a 3-point arc here. Select and then select this point and this point. Make horizontal. Then select this point, go to center, select that, and then select. Then let's put a dimension. So the dimension of this arc is 40 millimeter. Then check it. And then after that is select this center point and this arc, make pierce. Then check it. Then select this plane 2. We are going to hide it. Then exit. So wait for a while. So next thing to do is search for boundary surfaces. So I'm going to change this first into command. Search for boundary surface, and then after that right click and then select manager, then click this arrow and then select this, and then after that check it, and then next select this direction 2 and then select this arc, then check it. So after that, we're going to search for lofted surface. This one, select that. And then next thing to do is select this and this part. That's it. So as you can see, it is not aligned with our guidelines. So select this guide curves. And then select this parts, then select this sketch 3. So as you can see, it is aligned with our guideline. Then check it, and then next select we're going to command again lofted surface. So select this, so select this part and this curve, and then again we're going to align it with our guideline. So select this guide curves, select this sketch 3. So that's aligned, so check it. So next thing to do is we are just going to add some parts here. We're going to extend it. So to do the extension, so select this front plane, then sketch. Then after that is we are going to select this sketch 3, and then convert entities, and then after that is, so we are going to put a center line here. So starting here, and then select this line again, make vertical, and then check it, and then after that is select this point and this curve. So we're going to make coincident, then check it. And then after that, we are going to trim this one. Then check it. So next is I'm just going to extend this. And then check it. And then exit. And then search for boundary surface. So next thing to do is select this curve and then select this, then click this and then click OK. So as you can see, it's already extended. So next thing to do is we are going to make it one object. So to do that is go to we're going to select this, all of this, and then knit surface. So select this and then check it. So next thing to do, we're going to trim the surface. So trim surface, this one, select this and then remove selection. So select this and select this part, then check it. So as you can see, we are almost done. So next thing to do, so last thing to do is we are going to add thickness on it. So command thicken. So we are just going to change this in 1 millimeter. Then select this spoon, then check it. So I'm already done. So that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something in this video. So see you on my next video.